Well, after a couple of false starts, my idea on a portable chicken pen has come down to 2 dog kennels. I've taken the backs out of them and I'm going to try wiring them together. Maybe they'll still collapse, I don't know, but they'll be light. This is the plan for the house that goes on it. It's an insulated dog igloo that a guy from work was getting rid of. And I cut a piece of plywood to fit around the face, and I'm hopefully going to attach that to the end of the kennels. And that will give them a house. I've got the 2 dog kennels wired together. The end taken out of both sides of one and one side of the other. So I've got a door on one end and open on the other where I'm going to attach the house. So far so good. And there we have it, guys. All you do is slide the house up in the end of it, and you can see the door for the house is made from the cutout I made for the plywood to fit around it. We have a completely portable chicken pen. I think it's pretty awesome. All I have left to do is make an egg door in the house. A portable chicken pen made out of 2 dog kennels and an old dog house that a guy was going to throw away. They're just getting settled in, that's why they're throwing a fit. They're going to help us clear garden spaces this fall and winter. We'll have good places to plant in the spring. Just one quick note, the thing I hadn't showed you yet that I had to finish. My egg door. Heck yeah. Can't beat it with a stick. There we go, guys.